All right, so we're gonna go over the over-under. I'm gonna talk about a few ways how I like to get into it, how I like to pass the side control, and then a common counter and the counter that I like to do to that counter. So here, if the person, can you sit up for me? So if we're here, I like to kind of get into the over-under by like grabbing a grip right here, grabbing the lapel. I force the person down, and then I back away. I keep my hands on the knees right here. And what I like to do, you can do it on either side, but I favor this side. So I push the knee down, and then I bring my arm under, and then I bring my arm over. So now I'm in the over-under. I'm talking right now, but normally my head would be as far down as possible. And this leg is the one I'm gonna start to pass from. So what I like to do is take my arm that's over, force the leg down, keep my weight nice and heavy, and then I kick the leg out, and then I start to climb up to the side control here. And if you watch my other videos, that's exactly how I do it. It's not as fast as that. It's usually a slow grind, but that's how I like to do it. So we'll be out here. I'll force him on his back, and I'll back away, and I'll keep my hands and arms and legs away from him. That way he can't set up any type of daily heel or guard position. So then I force one side down, keep one side up, and then I just dive in. So this arm is gonna go under, my right arm is gonna go under, and my left arm is gonna go over. So I go boom, here, and here. Now, like I said, I'm talking to you guys, but normally I keep my head as far down as possible, and I'm keeping all my weight in my toes, driving my shoulder in, and then I start to walk my hips, and then step over, and then I start to climb up the body. Now, I like to keep my chest connected and start to climb like this, so there's no room for him to re-guard. This arm that's on the inside comes to the outside, and then I start opening the lapel and playing my game. All right, so a common counter to the over-under is when I come in here, and I put the leg down, I come over, and I'm here, the person's gonna take their arm and push my head to the other side, right here. And now if I stay here, if my arm is exposed, I can't really get the over-under position, and now I have to fight back to get there. Now sometimes I fight back, and I get to that position, but I've started to do a stack pass instead of fighting the person. So what I'll do here is we'll set up, we'll come in, he'll start to drive my head to the other side. So right about here, I dive in and I grab the collar. This arm that's over, I bring it to the pants, and I start to stack, and then I pass that way. So it's just a little counter that I like to do in case you can't fight the person's arm and can't fight back to the position. So one more time. So we're here, force him down, back away, we're here. I force this leg down, I stay here, and then I jump in. Boom. Now I'm going for the over-under. He's gonna push my head to the other side. As soon as I get to right about here, I dive in. Now this arm needs to come under the pants, grab, and then I start driving. Now I can throw his leg over, but I like to stack until he feels so uncomfortable that his leg just slides over. Keep the grips, and now I've passed. So, one more time. So we're here, force it down, we're here, boom. I come in, I'm driving, pushing my head. I grab, I jump up and I grab. I keep my weight on my toes, step in, grab the underside. So if we turn, I'm grabbing the underside like this, I'm stacking till the leg passes, and I'm keeping this grip too, because what I don't want is for him to turtle and turn away. I got this right here to stop him, and I pull him right back. And that's the over-under and the counter.